Hey everybody, this is Dustin, California RV Specialist, your RV Specialist. Let's go see what's going on in the shop. So obviously I'm walking around the lot here today. We got a Montana in here that was doing a bunch of maintenance work, found some stuff wrong with the roof, rear wall, etc, etc. Same thing with this motorhome, dual axle, nice big one, right? We got a couple reflections in here. We got a Solitude that we're not only doing some frame crack repairs on, but which was covered actually through Grand Design because this one was too old for Lippert to cover it. So Grand Design stepped up and took care of it. We're doing a Dexter Easy Flex kit on it right now with new springs. There's another Solitude over here doing some work on it. There's another Solitude doing some work on it. This one's doing some solar stuff. This one back here, this open range, we did a separate video on it, but he's had a lot of suspension issues, so he's finally decided to go ahead and upgrade to a Roadmaster kit. We had to cut off all his leaf spring hangers, so we're doing that. Here's an Astoria. We'll come back to that one as well. We got some Outdoors RV. There's another Imagine. There's a couple Sprinters, Winnebagos, some older Dutchmans, older Keystone Challengers, Reflections, Attitude, Sun Cruisers, Momentums, Mallards, Four Wind, Southwind, Forest River Surveyors, Shadow Cruisers, Brinkleys, Solitudes inside, some other units inside. So anyways, if you ever wanted to see what our lot looked like, here you go. Typically, depending upon the size and depending on how busy we are, we usually get about, I don't know, we'll say depending on the size of the units, about 55 to 65 units in here. Plus on the other side of that building, we have room for like 4 or 5 more over there. But if you haven't already joined any of our Facebook groups, this started out as kind of like a, I don't know, I guess you'd say a thing for me to leave my kids to kind of say, hey, who was grandpa? What did he do? What did dad do? And so it kind of morphed into something else where we started helping all our customers. So we do these videos. There's different segments. We have what's in the shop, which is basically what this one is right now, where I'm just kind of walking around saying, hey, here's what's in the shop. We do those more in depth where we're doing like exterior evals. We're doing like updates. We're talking about products we're putting on, chemicals we're using, tools we're using, supplies we're using, repair fixes to not only help the customers that are here, but to see what's, the rest of the community and the RV industry can see. So whether it be a manufacturer can see stuff that we're doing, maybe help them in the future to not make the same mistakes, DIY guys, all that kind of fun stuff. So anyways, if you haven't checked us out on YouTube or you haven't checked us out on any of our Facebook groups, we have almost a Facebook group for every brand, major brand that's out there. So whether it be Grand Design, Thor, Keystone, Brinkley, Outdoors RV, Northwood, you name it, Attitude. We have a lot of different groups out there. We're trying to put posts in there that pertain to each of the units. However, if you look at anything out here, for the most part, other than decals and caps, to us, it's pretty much all the same stuff, just how they built it and put it together, and then the color schemes. So we also have a bunch of videos that we've done and that we're going to keep continuing to do. We got what's in the groups. So that's where we're taking posts, videos, and problems that you're having, and we're talking about them like, hey, look at this guy did. Whether it be like something cool or something new that they installed, or, hey, look at this problem that somebody else encountered, so we can pass that information on. Then we got a group that's called on our YouTube that's called What's in the Box. And that's where we're going to be taking voicemails, emails, and stuff that comes to our different boxes, or could even be a messenger too. But we're taking those problems and sharing them so that everybody else can see kind of what's going on and help not only that customer, but anybody else that's out there. Then we got one that's called Shop Talk. And in Shop Talk, it's basically we're talking about stuff that's going on in the industry, or we're talking about products or new things that came out. And so there's a couple other segments that are in there too, but check us out. If you haven't checked us out too, we also write articles for RVtravel.com, so you can check out our articles as well there. We also write articles for ourselves, and so you have to go to California RV Specialist lodi.com, and you can check out those articles as well. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. Pretty soon I'm going to try to get a different camera situation set up to where I can flip it so you can see more of me when I'm walking around the lot, you know. And then I don't usually wear a mic. Most of the time I'm walking around checking on my guys, seeing what they're up to. And so a lot of times I'll forget, or it's not charged. And so just kind of too busy for all that. But anyways, these videos are made to help you guys and hope you enjoy them. I know they're not probably the best quality, and I know depending on what you're looking for, if you have something that you're like, hey, I want a specific on something, let me know. And if it's something that we're working on, I'll get it for you. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.